In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external tools in Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to find a tool you like, install it, connect it to Power BI Desktop, and confirm it's ready to use in your workflow. First, decide which external tool you want to add. External tools extend what you can do in Power BI Desktop, from modeling and DAX editing to performance tuning. As an example, many people use Tabular Editor, but the process is similar for most tools. Start by searching for the tool on its official website or a trusted source. Check that it's compatible with your version of Power BI Desktop and your operating system. If there are multiple editions, pick the one that matches your needs, and make sure you have permission to install software on your machine. Download and install the tool. Before you run the installer, it's a good idea to close Power BI Desktop so the setup can register everything properly. Follow the installer prompts and complete the setup. Some tools may ask for optional components or integration options during installation. When available, enable the option that integrates with Power BI Desktop so the tool can appear in the ribbon automatically. Once the installation finishes, open the external tool. What you see next depends on the program you installed. In many cases, the tool automatically detects Power BI Desktop and connects when you have a report open. If it doesn't connect on its own, open the tool's settings or preferences. Look for a connection or integration option that links it to Power BI Desktop. Make sure you have Power BI Desktop running with a report or data model open, because most external tools need an active model to connect. If the tool lets you choose an instance of Power BI Desktop, select the one corresponding to your open report. If you run into trouble, restarting Power BI Desktop after installation often helps. Once the tool is connected, switch back to Power BI Desktop and look at the ribbon at the top. You should see the External Tools tab. Your newly installed tool should appear there as a button. Click it any time to launch the tool directly from Power BI. If you don't see the tab yet, close and reopen Power BI Desktop so it picks up the new integration. And that's it. You searched for the tool you wanted, installed it, connected it as needed, and confirmed it appears under External Tools. You're ready to enhance your Power BI workflow with the